In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how to get to each of the rear light bulbs. So nice and simple to do, but you are going to need something to pop off some plastic poppers like this, or you could use a flat screwdriver. And this is all going to be done from inside the boot. So open up the boot fully, and the first popper we're going to remove is actually this one here. Nice and simple to remove, and that will allow us to actually fold the carpet down. So these are our two light bulbs, are actually found in the rear cluster that's actually on the bodywork. And to get those out, you just give it a half turn, take that out. So there's our indicator bulb. This one is our combined brake and tail light. That's all you're going to find in that side. And then lastly, there is a bulb also here for the reverse lights, and that is found on the actual tailgate, which you're going to need to remove this popper here. Again, just fold that carpet back. Now this one's a little bit different. You have to take the electrical connection off first, like that, and then that allows you to turn the fitting and take the bulb out. Make sure you always use a bit of cloth or something to actually touch these bulbs so you don't smear your greasy fingers on the glass, which will then heat up, and equally you're not going to break the glass either. Once you replace it, just go ahead, put that back in, and then put your electrical connection back on. There are some helpers just to guide you as well, just some arrows. And then obviously we're going to put both our plastic clips back in there and in there. Now this is repeated on both sides of the car, they're exactly the same. So there we go, that's how to get to the rear light bulbs on a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.